Hi, my subject today is Should Marijuana Be Legal? This is the group presentation, and since there's no group, it's just me, Scott Bertram. And the topic of whether marijuana should be legal is very controversial, with both proponents and opponents having strong viewpoints on whether it should be or whether it shouldn't be legalized. So what does legal marijuana mean? Some would say that marijuana is just a dangerous drug, like heroin or cocaine, and that there actually can't be health benefits to using marijuana, and that's just a myth raised by its supporters. And others would say once marijuana is legal, that it will just lead to use of other dangerous drugs. And does marijuana actually help sufferers of chronic pain? Does it actually treat symptoms of diseases? Is there really a financial benefit and gain to the states that have already legalized, as has been stated? Well, currently, marijuana is legal for medical reasons in 33 states. And it's legal for recreational use in 11 states. What this means for the 33 states where it's legal for medical reasons is that buyers and those possessing must have a medical reason and a medical proof for using. For the recreational states, it means that anyone can legally obtain and use marijuana however they see fit. However, the benefits enjoyed by the states where legal, some among the benefits enjoyed by the states where it is legal are increase in jobs and income from taxation. Currently, the marijuana industry is stated to increase jobs by up to 81,000 jobs alone in the state of California by the year 2024. And taxation in legal states has already shown huge benefits, such as Colorado, making it known that they have enjoyed $1 billion in tax revenues since marijuana has been legalized in the state in 2012. And they also make it known that they put this revenue back into educational and human service programs. By 2021 combined, revenue in all legal states will exceed $20 billion. And legal states also see a savings to their legal system by not prosecuting marijuana-related crimes. Among the many health benefits for marijuana, it's proven to relieve pain, which is a benefit for those suffering from chronic pain or a pain disorder. It lessens anxiety, which is a benefit to those who suffer from anxiety or panic disorders. It can decrease inflammation, which is a benefit for a variety of conditions. And it is proven to increase appetite, which can be used to treat those with eating disorders or who experience loss of appetite due to medical conditions such as chemotherapy treatments. The FDA has approved marijuana as a treatment for cancer and chemotherapy patients, AIDS, Alzheimer's disease, Crohn's disease, glaucoma, migraine, and seizure disorders. And currently it's being tested as a treatment for multiple sclerosis, substance abuse disorders, and various mental disorders. There's two parts of the marijuana plant which are shown to have medical benefits. The first is CBD, which is the non-intoxicating part of the plant, and it is shown effective in treating pain, seizures, and inflammation. And then THC, which is the intoxicating part of the plant, which is often used for recreational purposes, but has also been shown to treat pain, nausea, and inflammation. Now, for those on the other side who say that there are dangers to marijuana, there are negative effects that have been proven, such as it has been shown to have addictive properties, especially to those who are long-term and heavy users. It can worsen depression symptoms for those who are suffering from depression, and heavy users can see a decrease in dopamine production. There are also some negative health effects. Marijuana has not been proven to cause heart or breathing issues, but it can worsen the effects of heart and breathing problems for those who already suffer from these issues. And prolonged and heavy use can lead to eventual memory loss and cognitive disorders. The states that have currently legalized have shown some negative effects from the legalization. There's been a drastic increase in automobile accidents and DUI arrests in these states. And also, the average age of users has decreased drastically, with some states showing regular users being as young as 12 years old. Another thing that many of the opponents state is that marijuana is just a drug. It was made illegal in 1906 in the United States, and it has been shown that THC levels in marijuana, which is the psychoactive property that users receive a high from, have been increasing since 1970, meaning that marijuana is actually becoming stronger. Also, it is the most commonly used and abused illegal substance in the United States, with thousands of regular users. So what's the answer? Is it a benefit or is it a danger?